go. Hurry up.
You hurry up.
See, I'm so hot.
Yeah, let's get going. What are you doing? It's a fire exit. Got on a camera and everything.
Wait, are you sure?
I mean, definitely not through that door.
Wait, some lady is right there. Oh, press bottom button to access. Yes,
There's so many floors.
bottom button.
Oh yeah, B. There you go.
Nice.
Sick. Where are we? Use the kaya and water.
Is this my way?
First dish has arrived for $4. Not bad. Of course, wait 10 minutes before we can eat. So she doesn't get the right angle.
I'm trying to take this. Can you not make fun of me right now?
Toward you until you're done.
Stop. I don't know. I can't like show it right. Stop making fun of me. You're a bully. I don't know. Does this look right to you?
The line's actually not bad.
Okay, good enough.
Ready?
It's kind of awkward because the music is so like quiet.
Yeah.
Cheers. This is so good. Fuck.
Need some rice with that. Look at this chicken.
Oh my god, I can drink so much of this. Taste it. It's so good. Isn't that bomb? It tastes like juice.
That's dangerous.
Okay, so we got a California roll, chicken karaage, pork tacos. Let's dig in. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze this lemon on your taco.
Okay.
That sounded dirty.
Yeah, it's like no one's here right now. Yeah, service is really good. I feel like this is like a review.
I can't even talk because I'm just eating.
Gimme.
Chicken karaage. Cheers.
Oh. Sorry, I
Hot.
missed it.
Ow. Hot. Hot. Ow. That bitch is hot.
Man.
Okay, I'm really obsessed with my drink. It tastes so good.
Can I have a strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh wait. I put this halfway in my mouth and I was like, oh wait, I need to show you.
Ow. I've burnt my mouth.
You alright?
No. Let's try the taco.
Damn, this thing is loaded.
Yeah, she's massive. Okay, cheers, me. Cheers.
Ew,
Oh.
Ew. On the mic, man.
I spilled pork juice on my phone. Ew, fuck.
I look so. I watched myself as I was biting it.
Did you look really
so
ugly? Oh my god. This taco's really good.
This is actually a good amount of food.
Yeah.
I thought it'd be like not that much, but yeah.
Oh, fuck.
If you want to try out a lot of restaurants, do Happy Hour. I mean, you don't get like the big portions, but
Yeah, but
you get a lot.
you should try different stuff.
Yes,
Yes,
thank you.
Are you okay over there?
This is good. I haven't had karaage in a long time.
I saw on Amazon the little like clip-on mics were only like $20. I'm starting to feel the alcohol, like I'm getting hot.
You might have to sit here for like 3 hours.
No, our validation is only 3 hours.
Oh, yeah. I gotta drive home. Oh no. I feel like this is more alcoholic than my beer. Do not drive and drink and drive, kids. Man, I'm so lightweight.
Are you tipsy?
A little bit.
Like buzzed?
Yeah, I feel like the back of the eye. I like heavy. If you know what I mean. I forgot that it's called soy sauce, not well. Okay, never mind. I'm tired.
Ew. Ugh, I love eating so much.
Do you?
Uh-huh. I've never met anyone that loved eating more than me.
Me?
No, I love eating more than you. I'm honestly shook that I'm not 600 pounds.
True.
I don't know how, because I don't really work out either. Stop drinking my drink.
Make me. It kind of tastes like a
It tastes like really familiar.
Yeah, it tastes like a smell. You know how you can smell taste?
Yeah, it smells like
And
flour.
vice versa, you can taste the smell. Yeah, very flowery. Yeah. Move that hair, bitch.
Wow, I'm actually drunk though.
Wow, you're so lightweight.
I was gonna pinch your nose, but I didn't want to make my chopsticks dirty.
With all my blackheads. We are literally now the only ones here. At 6:15 on a Monday evening.
I don't want this taco to end.
You're still not done yet? Oh my god. I finished at like 10 bites ago.
Oh my god, I'm so hot. Honestly, this is the life.
Wait, if you come here, get the karaage and the tacos and rice and California rolls. Just get everything.
And this.
Yeah.
So good.
Just get exactly what we had and you will enjoy every moment of it like we are now.
I want strawberry. Oh, I'm drunk. Why do you keep forgetting how to like breathe?
Oh, I have breathing issues. Don't you know?
Who in the world eats this much mayo though? It's
People
disgusting.
just scoop that shit out.
That's gross.
Freaking drink it out of there.
Ew. You know there's spray mayo.
Ew.
Yeah. Sounds about white.
That's a good one.
I didn't make that up, but thanks.
Wow, taking credit for somebody?
I was not taking credit. I want to take all these ice cubes home.
Put it in a to-go box.
Could you imagine if I asked them for a to-go box just for the ice cubes?
Like, miss, but there's no food. It's like, I know.
These
For
ice cubes are precious.
My ice cube friends.
Bitch, this was so good. Can you make me a sandwich later? I'm gonna get hungry at like 8.
Can you make me a sandwich? I make the sandwiches.
Oh, so you will?
Not this time.
You will. Okay.
I could literally eat rice all day just on its own. That was all of it.
That's not all of it. Is it hot in here? I'm hot.
I know.
Okay. Bitch.
There's 2 grains left right there. Bravo.
Thank you.
That would have been bad. The risk per reward was not very. Like for yours, that wasn't anything. But this, man, if this tipped.
If I drop my taco.
No, if you drop your 2 bits of rice.
Oh yeah. But those are the last 2 bits of rice.
Psych. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh.
There's none left.
Wow, you really licked that out of there.
ASMR.
Are you ready? Okay, I don't think people like to hear that.
ASMR.
Oh my gosh. Okay, stop. I don't think people. I mean. Jeez. Is that a good sound to hear?
ASMR people just like sounds.
Wait, what is ASMR stand for?
Ass, shit,
Men.
riddance.
What? A short man rides.
Yeah, that's what it is. Those strawberries were sour. Now my taste buds are broken.
Man, and you finished your taco too.
I know.
Now you got nothing to end it on.
I dare you to eat the mayo.
I'm dared.
All of it.
No. Maybe one little chopstick that.
Weak. It's nothing. That's only like 50 calories. I'm full. Uncle time.
No, I'm not done yet.
Uncle time. Hurry up. I already finished mine.
Don't rush me. I'm driving.
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it.
There's this much left.
Keep it coming.
I'm tired.
Keep it coming. Ew. Can we get the check, please? Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Is that it? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. That TV station is really calming.
I know. I'm sleepy now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here, you could actually take this right now. There you go. Thank you.
Ew. What the heck? So bubbly.
What was that one song? Hubbly bubbly. Thank you.
Thank you.
You too.
Ew.
Like we literally had some bomb ass food and some drinks, all for $27.89 with a $5 tip, making it $32.89. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see how fast I can do it.
Oh my god. Wow, it's actually so fast. Chug, 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 chug. Almost there. Wow, that was really fast. Good job. On to the next place.
On to the next one. Do you remember that song? On to the next one?
No. On go we go.
Oh, here's a trick, everybody. If you're in a tight ass space like this, put your hand right there, and then push the door against your fingers so it doesn't get, fucking bang on the thing. Okay, going in. Wow.
Amazing. I'm fucking hot. Can you turn the AC on?
All right. Let's get going.
back is so tight.
That's in poor form. You don't have the elasticity. Oh!
No, for you.
Damn. Damn. Oh my gosh, is that Jasmine from IG? What?
No.
Oh, alright.
Oh, fuck it up.
So we got the mango shaped ice.
Okay. So this shaved ice is so good because the ice, it's like condensed milk or something in the ice. That's why it's like white. Oh, so cute. My ovaries are exploding. Anyway. Yeah, this shaved ice is so fucking good.
What is this?
I think it's condensed milk. The ice is so like finely, it's like powder. So cute. And I love how it has mango inside of the little ball too.
Yeah.
It's not just all on the top. Yeah.
It looks so big in the camera.
So,
It's a lot of sounds.
I wonder if we're gonna do that to our kid. We're gonna be like,
Like, shut up.
I don't know why this is so good.
It's like $9 for all of it. And they raise the prices, but whatever. It's worth.
It's actually a lot,
True.
but it's really good. So I don't care. Stop mixing it.
Oh.
He always mixes everything and I don't like it. Does that work?
Dude, my thumb was salty.
Ew. All your sweat and the steering wheel germs. Steering wheels are actually a very dirty place
I know.
for you to live.
Do I live there?
You don't seem like you know that. You're licking your dirty fingers and everything.
Maybe I like the taste of it.
Ew. It's like a pickle. How do you react to me calling you a pickle?
Am I a pickled pickle?
What?
Can you pickle a pickle? No, right? Because it's a pickle.
No, a pickle. You just spit on me. A pickle is already a thing.
What is a pickle?
Are you serious?
What is it?
A fermented cucumber.
Is it really? I actually didn't know that. I kind of guessed it was, but
Please tell me you're kidding.
like I guess I kind of like assumed that it was.
Oh my god. Yesterday, for Pinot Grigio, he goes, do you want some Pinot Grigio? I'm like, it's not Pinot Grigio. He's like, yeah, it is. But you know what though? If it makes me feel better, I posted a poll on my Instagram story and a lot of people said Pinot Grigio. And I'm like, you're all wrong.
Thank you, everybody that said that.
No, everyone that said that is idiotic.
But I know how you feel. You're not alone. Camera's over there. You're not alone, you.
It's Pinot Grigio.
English is stupid.
I don't even think that's English.
It's not. It's Italian.
So why'd you say English is stupid?
Languages are stupid. We just communicate with like symbols and sounds.
You mean sign language? You know, even in sign language, there's American Sign Language, and there's like other versions of sign language. Anyways, okay, the stupidest thing by far that Shota's ever said. I don't remember why we were talking about this, but he's like, something, Cahoon. I'm like, what? He's like, Cahoon. I'm like, are you fucking trying to say Cajun? Oh, you. Been hit in the head too many times.
I really have. Too many concussions, man.
Wait, there was another thing that was really stupid, but now I can't remember what it is.
It's okay. It's enough for today.
Cahoon is the dumbest, I think. More than Pinot Grigio, more than pickles or fermented cucumbers. Cahoon. Who the fuck says Cahoon?
Well, what's another word that is like similar?
Jose?
Yeah. Sure. I mean, like Cajun, like it looks like a Spanish word, so you say the J like an H.
You kill me.
Obviously.
You keep me young.
You obviously didn't take Spanish, so.
Shut up.
You're not a Spaniard.
Neither are you.
I took 3 years of Spanish, so hola amigos. Anyways.
Cahoon. If you're watching this, go to Shoda's Instagram and comment Cahoon.
I will personally block everyone that does that. I'll go on your page and I'll block your ass.
I wonder if anyone's blocked me. Probably. You know, like when you laugh and you're like eating something and then it gets like really painful back here? Like it's like stings.
Stings?
It's sour grapes.
I've never had that.
Whatever, Cahoon.
I'm not gonna let you eat.
Can you hurry up? I could honestly eat like a gallon of this.
Ew.
What?
Just imagine like a milk jug. You just fold to the top. And you just...
Yeah. Stop.
Ready?
Don't spoon me. What was the point of that? You didn't even let me take a spoonful.
Okay, fine. I got it. We twist and then we feed each other.
That piece of mango was so sour. Ow.
Ew. You spit all over my... I'm still gonna eat it.
I was gonna say something and I forgot. Oh yeah.
It's not on your nose.
Is it? Are you kidding?
It's like... Oh yeah, it's coming. There you go.
Thanks. I don't know if I should trust you or not.
It's like red.
Was it eyeshadow?
Is eyeshadow red?
Ugh, I'm done with this conversation.
Wow, okay, just take my spoon out and just finish the rest of it, would ya? Yeah, alright. It's not like I wanted anything. Oh my god. Might as well just lick all of it.
Okay.
Ew.
It's sour. What?
Are you done?
No. This music is making my head hurt.
I know, it's like
Feels like my brain is
a
melting.
lot of sounds.
Okay, let's skedaddle. Yeah, for sure, let's get out.
Skedaddle.
Peace. What?
Shit.
Alright guys, that is the end of our video. This one over here, we recorded the entire outro and he was filming it the wrong
Like I was trying to
way.
go like this, you know, to get like the better like camera and shit and like
Can you hold this?
stabilization.
My arm hurts.
But yeah, I failed to realize
What
that
kind of angle is this?
I failed. Let's just put on this. I failed to realize that the camera was on the front camera. Oh my gosh! I failed to realize
You'd be
the
looking at
camera
our
was on
double
the front
chin the
camera
entire
and
video.
I fucked up. So we're back.
Yeah, anyway, this is the end of our video. This angle is so unflattering. I'm sorry you had to stare.
Whatever.
I'm sorry you had to stare at our double chins all day and night, but yeah, maybe in the future we'll be more professional and actually figure out a better angle. But for now, you're just gonna be seeing a lot of double chin. I need more of me.
Ain't nothing
Thank you.
wrong with the double chin.
Yeah, so if you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. Every Monday is our designated happy hour day now, so we'll be trying out new eateries around LA.
If you
Why
know
am I
of
like
any good
weirdly out of
ones,
breath?
comment below.
Yeah, let me know because we're always down to eat and drink. So yeah, follow us on Instagram. Thanks.
You just follow her. Don't have to follow me.
Okay, go on his Instagram and comment Kehun. Thanks. Love you. Peace. Bye. Mwah.
I will block you.
Bye.